Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing good and fine. So I'm your host Muhammad Khan and you're watching Forex Detective. So today we are going to discuss about the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis for DXY and gold. Hopefully you will understand my point of view, and if you get confused anywhere, so you can contact me on Telegram. So let's start with the fundamentals. If we talk about the fundamental that we are going to face on Monday, September 4, we have bank holiday for USD and Canadian dollar. After that, on Tuesday, September 5, we have some high impact news for the Australian dollar AUD. If we talk about the Wednesday, September 6th, we have some high impact news for the AUD, USD, and the Canadian dollar as well. After that, on Thursday, September 7th, we are going to face AUD high impact news, and most important news of the week, that is the unemployment claim for the USD, and a Canadian dollar high impact news. Alright, so on Friday, the last day of the week, September 8th, we are going to face unemployment rates for the Canadian dollar. So this week is not as much as fundamental that we faced in the previous week. So let's start with the DXY weekly chart. So first of all, as you can see here, that let's move towards the monthly. As you can see here, that we have Elliott waves forming up here right now. So we can say that, just one second. Alright, so as you can see here, that we have the impulse, correction, and then again impulse, and after that we can see here that it is the impulse, correction, and impulse. Third thing that we are seeing here is that we have a symmetrical triangle as a correction and our monthly time frame. So it has completed the breakout and completed the retest. As you can see here, that we have a strong rejection over here at this point. As you can see there, that this area was a strong demand zone, so it has completed the retrace and it's now starting to reject. So according to me, it is going to rise up. Alright, so after that, if we move towards the weekly time frame, there is nothing special in here. So let's move towards the daily time frame. Okay, here, this is the important thing that I'm going to show you, that we can say that this is our first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth, fifth wave. At this point, it has completed the fifth wave. So what it's going to make a move is, it's going to rise up to this point, or it's going to move to this point, then it's going to retest, then it's going to up. Secondly, we have here a falling wedge pattern, as you can see here, and it has completed out the breakout and the retracement. So it's, as you can see here, that the previous daily candle close was a strong bullish candle. So that's the confirmation that it is going to keep its trend continue till the upward direction. So moving on to H4 time frame, let's see what do we have. Alright, so this is our current strong support resistance, and as you can see here, that this is our current strong resistance. If it breaks this out and completes a retracement level above this level, if it's break out this area and make a retracement above this level, then it's going to follow the uptrend. Or if it doesn't follow this, then it's going to fall down till its next strong support area, and then it's going to rise up again. So let's move towards the H1 time frame. Let's see here. In H1 time frame, this is a strong resistance, and as you can see here that the market was close below this. So according to me, it's going to make some retracement like this, then it's going to follow the upward trend, because at this point we have this area reacting as the strong support. So that's all about the DXY. Let's move towards the XAUUSD gold. After moving towards the XAUUSD gold, let's first of all switch towards the weekly time frame. Alright, just give me a second. Alright, so in the weekly time frame of the XAUUSD gold, first thing we have here is a strong resistance, and the second thing that we have here is a triple top pattern, and yeah, that's all. So we can also say that this is a consolidation phase. Either it's going to make a breakout from this point, or either it's going to keep the bearish trend continue. So nothing more in the weekly time frame. So now let's move towards the daily time frame. Let's see what we have here. We have a lot of confirmation in the daily time frame. First of all, if we discuss about the Elliott waves, so here we have our first, second wave, third, fourth and fifth wave, and after that it has completed the correction A, B, C, and now it's again making its move. So here it's first wave, second wave at around 38. Let me show you the where it has made. So according to me, it's going to make a third wave, and then fourth, and something like this. So we have our impulse, correction, and the impulse. Let's take the retracement level of the first wave. It's somewhere around 50%, so it has completed its second wave somewhere around 50%. But the thing is, just give me a second. Here, it's forming a double bottom pattern. So if we switch in the H4 time frame, let's move towards the daily time frame. We will discuss this again. Okay. The first thing here is this area, the trend line, and daily time frame. Just 1 second. So let's move towards the daily time frame. Here, as you can see, the trend line. First of all, if we discuss about the trend line, it was able to make a breakout, but it failed to break out it completely and closed below the trend line. So we can consider it that this made a fake breakout and it's going to fall down. Second thing, in the H4 time frame, we have a double top pattern. You can see here. Just 1 second. Here, as you can see here, at the same area, it has made the double top pattern. If it continuously reject this area, or we can say that if it breaks this area, that is 1925, then it's going to fall down. It will not follow the double bottom pattern anymore. Secondly, here, after the trend line and the double bottom pattern, we have here is, let me just, as you can see here, at the Fibonacci level 61.80%, it started rejecting and it made a strong bearish candle, or we can say that it made a strong bearish price action in the ending of the previous week. So we can say that it is a sign of a strong bearish trend. So according to me, if I move in the H1 time frame, so the thing we are going to face right now here is just 1 second. Alright, something like this. Okay, so it is currently following a bullish channel pattern in the H1 time frame, and it has been starting rejecting from the 61.80% of the Fibonacci level. So when to enter the trade in the sale of XAUUSD? So it will be confirmed after it breaks the trend line, lower trend line, and completes its retracement somewhere like this. So at this point, let me show you it correctly. Okay, this is our first strong support area, and this is our second. So if the gold managed to break this out, if it breaks this area, then it's going to retest this, then it's going to fall down, then it's going to retest this, and then it's going to fall down. So you can take entry at this point and at this point. Don't enter without any confirmation. And if unfortunately it is unable to break the area, this area, and started rejecting somewhere at this point, then you can make some buy till the 1966. That area will be the area for the upper trend line, and it will be the 78.60% of the Fibonacci level. So hopefully you have enjoyed my analysis, and if you are agreed with my analysis, comment right now in the comment section that you are agreed with my analysis and you loved my analysis. So show some love in the comment section, and if you want more analysis like this, make sure to subscribe the button and don't forget to press the bell icon as well. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice weekend.